Realme is back with another smartphone to India, the Realme X3 and the Realme X3 Super Zoom. Hello viewers, I am Tech Ninja back again with another tech video, and let's get started. Realme is here with its new series, the Realme X3 series, the Realme X3 and the X3 Super Zoom. Now talking about Realme X3. The phone comes with a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with 120Hz ultra smooth display. Display is protected by Qualcomm Glass 5 with screen to body ratio of 19.5%. Next, the important setup of the smartphone, that is the camera. The phone comes with a 64 megapixel Samsung GW1 sensor with f1.8 following with 8 megapixel ultra wide with f2.3 and a 12 megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom with f2.5 and with a 2 megapixel macro lens with f2.4 with 4 cm focal distance. Coming to the front camera, the phone comes with a 16 megapixel Sony IMX471 dual in-display selfie with f2.0 and a 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera lens. Now about the performance. The phone comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus with Adreno 640 GPU. The phone comes in two variants with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage and 12GB RAM with 256GB storage with UFS 3.0 storage speed. The phone comes with 4200 mAh battery with USB Type-C port including a 30-watt fast charger which fulls the smartphone in 55 minutes. The phone supports Dolby Atmos. The phone comes out of the box with Android 10 with Realme UI. Now the most awaiting thing, the price. The 6GB RAM with 128GB storage variant comes in 24,999, while the 8GB RAM with 128GB storage variant comes in 25,999. So what's your opinion about smartphone? Comment down below and see you next time.